So, you've got a book idea. Maybe you've even written the whole thing. And now comes the big question. How do I publish this? Hey friends, I've self-published 2 picture books and a nonfiction writing book. So I have, I could say, a little bit of experience doing the self-publishing journey. So let me talk to you about self-publishing your book. Traditional publishing can feel like trying to unlock a secret club. Agents, query letters, rejection emails, it's a lot. But what if I told you there's another way? Self-publishing isn't just a backup plan. It's a powerful way to take control of your book's journey. And today, I'm breaking down the mystery so you can confidently publish your book. Let's get started. First things first, why choose self-publishing? First, you have creative control. Your book, your rules, from cover design to pricing, you decide. Next, there's a faster timeline. No waiting years for our publishing deal. You can publish on your own schedule. The next one is higher royalties. There is a possibility you could earn more per book sale compared to traditional publishing. The next one is a wonderful one. Direct connection with your readers. No middlemen. You build your audience and engage with your fans directly. But self-publishing isn't just upload and go. There's a process, so let's break it down. Step 1, finalize your manuscript. Make sure your book is edited, polished, and ready for readers. Consider beta readers or professional editing. That's what I did. I found a professional editor. And because I was in a writing group, I was able to get my professional editor at a discount. Step 2, design your cover. A strong cover sells books. You can hire a designer or use tools like Canva, BookBrush, or Fiverr to get a standout look. Step 3, format for publishing. Your book needs proper formatting for different platforms. Your ebook, Kindle, KDP, EPUB files, paperback, print on demand, Amazon's KDP, Ingram Sparks, they all have specific guidelines. Also, if you want a hardcover, which is a newer option on KDP and Ingram Sparks, there's a special way that has to be formatted. And you can use someone from Fiverr or Upwork to help you do that. Step 4, choose a publishing platform. Where will you sell your book? Amazon KDP has the biggest reach and it's a very easy setup. Ingram Sparks, there's a wider distribution to bookstores, which is a really good option. And Draft to Digital, great for multiple ebook platforms. Step 5, set your pricing and royalties. Price strategically. Consider higher royalties on direct sales, introductory pricing for your launch, bundles, discounts, or limited time offers. Step 6, market your book. Publishing isn't the finish line. It's the starting line for getting readers. And here are some options. Social media marketing, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, email list, and a newsletter. Think about having a book launch event and promote your book that way. Also, running ads on Amazon, Facebook, BookBub, those are wonderful options. Hey friends, in the next video, we're going to talk about some myths that keep going around about self-publishing. Self-publishing isn't a mystery. It's a step-by-step process that puts you in control if you've been waiting for permission to publish your book. Hey friends, I'm Shelley with Shelley's Creative Life, and I love helping others write their books. So if you're thinking about self-publishing and you have questions, drop a comment in the description. I'd love to help you. Also, thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe for more tips to help you write and publish without fear. See you in the next episode. Bye, friends.